This Bangalore-based startup is trying to revolutionize the electrical vehicle industry with their high-performance electric motorcycle, the F77. And yes, you guessed it right, I'm talking about the Ultraviolette Automotives. With their new F77, they're redefining the sporty bike segment. It has an acceleration of 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds and has top speed of 150 plus kmph. The company was founded in 2015, and Ultraviolette Automotive is an innovator in sustainable mobility and energy infrastructure. It was co-founded by Narayan, Subramaniam, who is the CEO and the head of design at UV, and Niraj, Rajmohan, who is the CTO at UV. And yet again, Bengaluru boys making us proud. F77 is claimed to be India's first high-performance electric bike. I mean, just look at it. The inspirations it has drawn from the aviation and the aerospace industry is just mind-blowing. And it really gives me that futuristic vibes. Quickly looking at the specs of the bikes, it has 3 variants and the price band will range you between 3.8 lakhs ex showroom to 5.5 lakhs ex showroom. Now, one of the major concerns the Ultraviolette Automotive is trying to address here is the entire EV ecosystem in India has always been associated with low performance and zero desirability question. But I feel like moving beyond the kitna deti hai mindset to kitna de sakti hai mindset is what Ultraviolette Automotive is focusing on. Now with the F77, they're targeting the urban millennials and the early Gen Z EV adopters. Not bad for a company who has received $5.5 million in funding.